Okay, I want to get started on this bathroom area. So I'm going to do a sanitary and vent piping for these 5 plumbing fixtures: water closet, washer and dryer, it's a shower, kitchen sink, and a lavatory. So to get started, let's do a piping for the water closet. I want to stay in the wall cavity with this 3-inch waste pipe. And let's rotate our section counterclockwise 90 degrees. Okay, and I want to run a pipe all the way over to the shower. That's where the riser is going to be, the sanitary riser. So I'll just stop it about right there because I haven't drawn the pipe yet. But what I want to do is draw out the piping for the washer and dryer. So I'm going to say choose this and create similar, but only this is going to be a 2-inch. Go from here, and I want my pipe to rise maybe 5 feet. Okay, so it's going to be here, about right there. I'm just going to create a, here's my pipe. I'm going to create a standpipe from this. Let's go here and then over, and and instead of this elbow, I'm going to use a P-trap and erase these 2 pipes, well, the pipe and that elbow, and bring this down some so it looks halfway decent. Let's bring this pipe up and come over. Okay, so that's a more or less a standpipe for the washer and dryer, and that's that pipe here. Now for the shower, let's rotate our section counterclockwise 90 degrees in place, and we're going to go here and go 90. Come back to our shower. That's a little bit too much. Shorten out our section view. So we have our shower. I'm going to come down a 2-inch and make sure that our pipe type and our system type is okay. Come over, and we're going to need a P-trap for our shower, which is here. And it looks like I'm not going to have any room to come down, so I'm going to have to fold this over. Let's just do it like this, because I know that that's going to be a connection. So I'll leave that there. So I know it will line up to a 3-inch riser. And we'll say, let's modify it and extend here. Okay, and that's going to be a reducing santee, and we have that. But here is the problem. I'm going to have to come back. Let's see. I'm going to have to come back over because there's not enough room to make that 45. Okay, about right there, and put this back in the cavity. Okay, so as you can see, this is our pipe we just finished, and this is the connection that I want to make. Let's bring this over and draw a pipe. I'm gonna come up and align pipe number 1 with pipe number 2. Okay, and so we have let's look at the water closet connection to the shower. Rotate counterclockwise 90 degrees, and let's look at this pipe. Okay, so we do the same. We can come up and connect into that riser. Do the same here, here, here. Okay, so I know that this is connected. This is in line, so I can make this connection. And it's going to be the same Santee here. Okay, so now what we need to do is connect our kitchen sink and our lavatory. And so to do that, let's keep this same view. I'm going to go over to my kitchen sink, which is here. Should be a 2-inch coming off of the bottom of the basin. PVC sanitary, we got 2 inches. And it looks like there's some structure down there, but I'm not going to worry about that because we all know that the architect is going to move that fixture. But in the meantime, I'm going to stay right here. Okay, and the reason I went this way is because, well, we can see here, looking at our view, we're going north and south, so this is going to come down so I can connect. There's going to be a lavatory here, pipe that I'm going to connect, but we need a P-trap. We need a P-trap, and can I come over just a little bit? Let's come over, just bring that out some. Okay. Okay, so we have that piece. So, and now let's rotate, come back and rotate clockwise 90 so we can draw up our lavatory piping. And it's here. So we got 1.5 inch waste coming off of a lavatory, and we got PVC. I'm going to change it from a 1.5 inch to a 2 inch, and we can make that connection here. I'm going to make a 2 inch. Okay, so that's that. And now what we can do, can bring that out from under the floor of the lavatory at 45 degrees. I'm going to highlight it in this section view, and make my plan view active so I can select it and come out at 45 degrees. Like 45, we can come out here, come down, because I'm going to connect. You see? I'm going to connect. This is our lavatory, and we come down, and I'm going to connect into the wall cavity. I have to go into the wall cavity. Where is it? So I'm under the floor. Yes, under the floor. Okay. And there's a wall here. There's a wall in here, which is this. Well, we can't see it. Where is it? Should be here. Yeah, this is the wall. Okay. So once I'm under the floor and I get into that cavity, then I'm okay. Let's go back. I'm going to bring this down just a little bit and connect here. Let's do this. I can stretch this out. Okay. And make that connection, which is that connection here. Okay, so from here I'm gonna need a Y combo. Okay, but it's going the wrong direction, so we can use these flip fitting tool and have it go in the right direction. So we have that. Now let's go back to the floor plan and connect. I'm not sloping any of this. I usually don't slope in any of these small spaces. It's just not necessary because the connections can get skewed easy, and you have to do just a lot of I guess detail work in order to make it fit. So it's a lot better if everything is linear. Let me just say that, use that word. So where am I here? Let's go. I think I'm gonna need to do some kind of yeah. So I'm gonna have to come down. This is the pipe coming into us. That's this pipe going north and south. Okay, that's this pipe. So I'm gonna align it with my pipe that's going east and west, which is this pipe. Okay, so let's see if this works. Align this pipe and that pipe. Yes. Okay. So now what we can do is come here. Okay, and we can look at that in our 3D view, which is down here. It is this one, that guy. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change that to a Y combo, just here. Okay, and it's going in the right direction. Everything looks good now. You see, this was our tight piece. We can go back and come back over. I thought I connected the washer and dryer. Yeah, okay. There's this piece, it looks like it's connected, but it looks, oh, here. Where is it? Okay, we're here. Now all I need to do, I can connect these in this view. Let's go here, here, and we can come back and make this fitting. Okay. So that seems okay. So let's do the vent piping, and we can go to systems. Piping, pipe, and the PVC, but I'm going to change the type to a vent system, which is there. And it is going to be 1.5 inches, and it's going to be in the ceiling at 9 feet. So we have that. So I'm going to come off. Let's go here, 45. Okay. And just to make it look like it's in AutoCAD, I'm gonna have that go down 5 feet, or 5 feet above the floor. So we have that, and let's bring this over. My riser is gonna be in here. So let's go here, and I'm gonna use, let's go kitchen sink, same thing, I'll use this. Create similar, and from here at 45, 135, let's go 135 here, and then come down. So we can come down 5 feet above the finished floor. Again, this is the vent system, and apply that, and we're going down. Okay, so the connection can be 610 here, here. Okay, so that's the connection there. And now for these three, I can use the same. I'm not going to be lazy. Create similar. You can go here, come out at 45 degrees, go down 5 feet. Okay, apply, oops, apply. And what I'm gonna do is copy this because I'm going to use that for my washer and dryer. I guess that's good enough. Let's bring it down some more. That's good. Okay, and now I'm going to use my pipe here, and let's see. Okay, and up here we have to make sure that we are in the ceiling space. Everything is in the ceiling space. That looks good. That's coming up. Okay, so now we have, let's do this. I'm gonna cut this pipe up. Wait. I got too many pipes cutting. This one, that one, this one, this one. I'm gonna go back this way. Come here and draw my pipe down. Yeah, okay. And have this transition from a 1.5 to a 2-inch vent pipe. Okay. So this is going to go down to my water closet at 5 feet. Let's go down 5. Okay. And I'm going to change that to have it be a riser in just a few minutes. This is our 9 foot, right? It's at 9 feet. It's at 9 feet. So we can make that connection also. We go from here. Let's do this. Go here and then here. Okay. So we have that. So let's go to our riser because I want to make a few changes. Okay. So here's our riser. I'm going to delete this guy and go up. This is going to go up through the roof. So I can, you see, I can't go in the floor because there's a floor here. It's L5. So I'm going to offset in this ceiling space over here and then go up. So I'm going up in the wall cavity and through the roof. Okay, so that's the green roof. So go up, okay, make the offset here, and let's make this connection also. Here, okay. So we have that. Let's look at our section, okay. Now here we would need to look at the the walls, but we can see that we're in the wall, so I usually don't, not usually, but in this case I'm not going to look at the walls because this is just going to cloud the information. I won't be able to see anything. So we keep that. Where are we? We have our sanitary, kitchen sink sanitary vent, shower vent. Okay, everything looks good. Let's go back to this view and turn off the architect's drawing. Okay, now everything looks okay now. Everything is connected and we have our vent. We need a connection here. Okay, let's modify. We're gonna modify. And we go here, here. Okay, so that looks good. Let's go back. Okay, so I think that looks good. I'm gonna stop here, guys. I hope you got something out of it, and I will talk to you guys later.